Good afternoon, friends. Now we are discussing a Mach cone in module number 5 of the subject fluid mechanics in compressible fluids. In the earlier session, we have discussed sonic flow and subsonic flow. That is, m is equal to 1 sonic flow, m is less than 1, Mach number less than 1, that is subsonic flow. Now m is greater than 1, that is supersonic flow. So here distance traveled by the projectile, so that is in 4 seconds, so that is 4 into v. So we know that velocity is equal to distance by time taken, so distance traveled is velocity into time taken. So now we are taking here m is greater than 1, so the Mach number is the ratio of v by c, so that is greater than 1, so v is greater than c. So if we take v as 1 unit, so v is greater than 1. So c will be taken as less than v. So let we take c as 0.5 units. So m, Mach number is the ratio of v by c. So v is taken as 1 unit. So 1 by 0.5. So Mach number is 2 now. So now v is taken as 1 unit and c is taken as 0.5 units. So v is the velocity of the projectile and c is the velocity of the sound wave. So here, so velocity of the projectile is taken as 1 unit. So distance that traveled is velocity into time. So distance traveled in 4 seconds. So we are taking 4 instants of time. So the projectile is moving from point A to point B. So in 4 seconds it is covering the distance. So in 4 seconds the distance traveled is 4 into 1. So 4 units. So now take AB as 4 units. So distance created in 4 seconds. So is now that is the disturbance created. So that is 4 into c. So c is now sound wave. That is the disturbance wave. So distance disturbance created in 4 seconds is 4 into c. So 4 into c is 0.5. So that is 2 units. So take A as center and radius 2 units. So draw a circle. So take A as center and taking the radius 2 units, draw a circle. So the sphere of propagation of disturbance always lags behind the projectile. So here v is greater than c. So that is velocity of the projectile. So projectile is behind. So whereas the sound wave or the disturbance wave is lagging behind. So the sphere of propagation of disturbance is lagging behind the projectile. So similarly, we are taking the three different other three circles drawn here. So with 1.5 as the radius and 3 as the center. So drawing one circle and then 2 as the center with 1 unit as the radius, drawing one more circle. So from here we have, it is clearly shown that the disturbance wave is lagging behind the projectile. So here this is zone of silence, that is no effect of disturbance here. So inside I have zone of action. So the pressure waves, the disturbance waves. So if you draw a tangent drawn to the different circles, they are representing the propagated spherical waves on both sides. So these circles are representing the propagated spherical waves. So if you draw the tangents to these spherical waves, so we get a cone with respect to the point B. So the cone obtained is called as the Mach cone. So now if you take the triangle IBD, that is this smaller triangle here. So one is the center. So B from where the Mach cone started, and D is the point on the first smaller circle. So 1B, so that is velocity of the projectile here. So this 1B, and 1D is nothing but velocity of the sound wave. So that is C. So 1B represent the velocity of the projectile, that is V, and this 1D represent the velocity of the sound wave C. So Mach angle, so that is alpha, it is half of the angle of the Mach cone. So this is entire Mach cone angle. So alpha is half of the angle of the Mach cone. So that is Mach angle. Now sin alpha, if you take, so that is the opposite side, so that is 1D in the figure, and the adjacent hypotenuse, so that is 1B. So 1D by 1B. So 1D is nothing but C, 1B is nothing but V. So it is C by V. So we can call it as 1 over this C by V. So it is nothing but the reverse of Mach number. So sin alpha is 1 by m. So that is the relationship between Mach angle and the Mach number. Sin alpha is equal to 1 by m. On the basis of the Mach number, so we have the compressible fluid flow. We will be classified under 3 headings. So that is subsonic. So that is m is less than 1. So where m Mach number is the ratio of V by C. So V by C is less than 1. So that is V is less than C. Sonic flow, that is Mach number is equal to 1. So V by C is equal to 1. So that means V is equal to C. The third one is supersonic flow. So where M is greater than 1. So that is V by C is greater than 1. So V is greater than C. Where V is the velocity of the flow, that is the projectile, and C is the velocity of the sound wave. So that is the disturbance wave. So V is the velocity of the projectile and C is the velocity of the disturbance wave. So on short, we have the classification of compressible fluid flow on the basis of Mach number as subsonic flow, sonic flow and supersonic flow. Thank you, friends.